with the US and Iran embroiled in a war of strategic strikes. One of the more notable weapon systems deployed by US Armed Forces would be the Lucas drone. The low-cost, uncrewed combat attack system would represent the US military's attempt to reverse engineer a solution to the Shahed 136. This attritable kamikaze drone has certainly shaped conflicts from Ukraine to the Middle East. So, what would make the Lucas such an effective weapon, and why would the US version of the Shahed be much more advanced? Representing a new capability, the Lucas would be launched in conjunction of other munitions to help maximize their effects. This video would show a reported crashed Lucas drone in Iran. Some of them can be used to extend communication links, but they can also be configured with a Starlink system. Here's some other photos which clearly show the satellite data link. Reportedly, the Starlink edition would enable autonomous and swarm tactics as the drones would be able to share sensor data with one another. All of this while keeping a human in the loop. From the video previously shown, you can observe the satellite receiver that's just dangling by a single cable. The Russians would also be reported to equip some of their own Shahed drones with Starlink systems to help provide a steady live video feed back to operators in Russia. With decades of real world knowledge in launching long range strike munitions, the US would build upon that knowledge and develop the Lucas to incorporate multiple flight systems. Despite being reverse engineered from Iran's Shahed drones, the US version would boast a few upgrades to its lethality. Improvements like swarming capabilities with reportedly up to 100 drones able to connect in an ad hoc mesh network. Also reported would be the ability to fly low to help evade radar, as well as electronic packages to help counter any jamming. The original Iranian Shaheds would be susceptible to GPS interference, but the Lucas drone would have a hardened signal link, as well as satellite communication. The hardware of the Lucas drone would be important, as the two-cylinder engine would be a bit quieter than Iran's Shahed drones. The Shahed's acoustical signature has been targeted by networked listening devices like in Ukraine's Sky Fortress. The lighter composite materials being used in the Lucas drone would also provide better fuel efficiency compared to the Shaheds. This would be a quick video covering some of the differences between the Shahed and America's very similar low-cost unmanned combat attack system. As drones become more prevalent in the modern warfare picture, I plan to cover a plethora of UAS and counter UAS systems. Thank you for watching until the very end. If you have any suggestions or systems that you would like to be covered, please comment down below. I appreciate you watching until the very end, and do not forget to have a phenomenal day.